Hello my dear student, most welcome to Sukla Maths Academy online classes, and I am Professor GP Sukla, and today's our topic is chapter number 2, Relations and Functions part 2 for class 11th Maths. So now let's start. So first we will define what is a relation, right? So definition is that let we have two sets capital A and capital B, those are non-empty sets. Then the relation capital R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, and we know that the A cross B is the set of ordered pairs of set A and B elements, right? So I am taking here one example of relation, and after that we can easily define and understand what is the relation. Let capital A is the set of all male members of Dasrath's Lord family, right? So in this Dasrath, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan, these all are male members in Dasrath's family. And let also B is the set of all female members in Dasrath family. So in B, the Kaushalya, Kekai, Sumitra, Sita and Urmila and Mandavi and Shrutkriti. And here if we define the relation R, husband of, right? So here the relation R contains the ordered pair Dasarath and Kaushalya, because we know that the Dasaraths have three wives and these are Kaushalya, Kekai and Sumitra. So here the pairs will come Dasarath with Kaushalya first pair and Dasarath with Kekai second pair and Dasarath's Sumitra, that is the third ordered pair, right? And similarly, next is the Ram, and the wife of Ram is Sita. So next pair is Ram and Sita, right? And similarly Lakshman, and next is the Urmila, because the Urmila is the wife of Lakshman. So next pair is the Lakshman and Urmila, and next Bharat and Mandavi, right? This, and last one is the Shatrughan, is the husband of Shrutkriti. So last pair is Shatrughan and Shrutkriti. So we get the relation R, set of all the ordered pairs which is defined by the relation R, right? So clearly we have two sets A and B, and relation is husband of, so we get relation R this. So we can say that if we have two sets A and B, then the relation R is the subset of all A cross B. A cross B is the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B. So relation is always subset of A cross B. In this example, dear student, we have two sets A and B. So you can easily find the A cross B. The A cross B contains all the ordered pairs of elements Dasarath, Kaushalya, Dasarath, Kekai, Dasarath, Sumitra, right? And Dasarath, Sita also, Dasarath, Urmila, etc. And similarly Ram, Kaushalya, right? This is we discussed in the previous video. So you can easily find the A cross B, and after that you can also check the relation R. This is subset of the Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay, so this is the main condition to be a relation. In this example, the concept of relation will clear. So we have given two non-empty sets A and B, the member of A, B, C and D, and capital B second set is elements R, P, Q, R and S. So and then which of the following are relations, we have to identify that. So we know that any relation is the subset of A cross B, and A cross B is the Cartesian product of two sets. So first we will find the A cross B set, right? So make the pair of A and B. So first we will take the A and then all elements one by one of B. So AP and AQ and AR, AS, and second element is B. So BP, BQ, BR, BS. Third element is C, and make the pair CP, CQ, CR and CS, right? And last element is D of the set A, make the pair with the elements of B. So DP and DQ and DR and DS. So this is the set of ordered pairs of A cross B, right? This is called the Cartesian product of set A and B. And now we will check this condition is holds or not in particular questions. So first one, R1 is the APBRCS. Now see that R1 is a subset of A cross B. All the elements means all the ordered pair of R1 also belongs to in A cross B. So AP is here, BR. Now see that BR is also here, this AP and BR, and also CS. CS is here or not? Yes. So clearly all the elements means ordered pairs of the R1 is also member element of A cross B. So we can say that the first one is the a relation. Okay. Now second one is R2, QB and CS and DR. Now see that R2 is subset of A cross B or not. So QB is here, QB is here, not present. See that because Q is not element of set A. So obviously the QB element is not present in our Cartesian product set, that is A cross B. So this is not a relation, right? Then third one is the R3. R3 is AP, AQ, DP, CR and BR. Now see that the first element also element of A, D and C and B. All the first elements also the element of A, right? And second element also element of B or not, P, Q, B, Q, and here also P and R and also R. So obviously these all elements also present in Cartesian product A cross B. You can check it. So R3 is subset of A cross B. So R3 is a relation by the definition. Similarly R4, AP, QA, BS and SB. Here Q is coming and Q is not present in our set A. Okay. So this is also not a relation because we don't got it the ordered pair QA in our A cross B set. Now see that here QA is not present. Okay. So this is the concept of how we can check the given relation R is a relation or not. So main condition for relation is that first find out all the ordered pairs of A cross B and check that the elements of R subset of A cross B or not. If yes, so it is a relation, otherwise not. And after that we will take some problems based on the relations and their concept. I am taking the first question of the exercise 2.2. This question based on the basic concept of the domain, range and codomain of a relation. So now question is that let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by the relation R equal to xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0 where x and y belongs to in A. So write down domain, codomain and range. So in this problem first we will find the relation and after that we will find domain, range and codomain of the given relation. So relation R equal to given y, x and y such that 3x minus y. So value of x we will take here 1 and value of y will be found by the given equation 3x minus y equal to 0. So y will be 3 into x. So x equal to 1, so y equal to 3 and second value is x 2 and y will be 2 into 3 6 and next value is 3 and 3 into 3 that is 9 and next value of x is 4 we get 12 and next is 5 and 5 3 are 15. So 15 is not a element of A because there is a relation from A to A. So all the elements must be belongs in A. So we will stop here because next odd pair 5 15 is not belongs to in A, right? And we will find the domain. So domain is a set of all the first elements of the relation, means value of x 1 2 3 and 4. So write down 1 2 3 and 4. And range is the set of all second elements in the relation, means 3 6 9 and 12. So it is 3 6 9 and 12 is the range. So this is the concept of the domain, range and codomain. We can also draw the diagram and represent the given relation. Here the elements of A and here also the set A 1 2 3 up to 14, and the element of the second value 1 2 3 14 is the first value of the relation, and second value is 3 6 9 and 12. 3 6 9 and 12. Now relate them 1 2 3 2 to 6 3 to 9 and here 4 to 12. So domain is 1 2 3 4 of this relation and range is 3 6 9 and 12. Of the exercise 2.2. So we have given A equal to 1 2 3 5 and B equal to 4 6 9, two sets, and define a relation R from A to B by R equal to X and Y such that the difference between X and Y is odd, and here X belongs to in A and Y belongs to in B. So write R in roster form. So we have to find the relation R. Now we will find relation R, that is the odd pair set. So first value of set A is 1. So value of Y we will find by using the given relation. The difference between X and Y is odd. So X and Y is odd. So value of Y will be taken from B. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So ignore the sign. We will discuss only odd or even number. Difference of two numbers. First number is 1, second number is 4. Means first number from A, second number is from B, and their difference is odd. So elements will come here, otherwise left them. So difference of 1 and 4 is 3. So it is here, accept this. Second is 1 and 6, we get 5. Yes, so 1 and 6 also here. Then 1 and 9, difference of 1 and 9 is 8. It is even, so left it. And then next second element, make the pair with the element B. Pair means take the difference with each element of this two. So 2 minus 4 is 2, even, left them, it is even. 2 minus 9, that is 7. So we get 2 9. Okay. Next is third element is 3. So 3 minus 4 we get 1. So 3 4 is also element of the relation. And 3 9, 3 minus 9 we get 6, which is an even. So left it. So next element is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 5 4 is also here. And 5 minus 6 is 1. So 5 6 also here. And 5 9 we get 5 minus 9 is 4. So it is even. So left it. So we get the relation are equal to 1 4 1 6 2 9 3 4 5 4 and 5 6 of the given problem. And if we have to find also domain and range of this relation. So domain is the first value of each pair, that is 1 1 means take 1 time only. So 2 3 5. So 1 2 3 5 is the domain, and range value of Y of the ordered pair. So 4 6 9 and also 6. Don't take the repeated value in the sets domain and range. 4. The figure shows a relationship between sets P and Q. Write this relation. First one is in set builder form and second one is the roster form. We have given the figure and two sets P and Q, and here the relation is given in the arrow form. So first we will find the relation. Now here the relation is x and y such that, now see, 5 relate to 3 and 6 relate to 4 and 7 relate to 5, means we get less than 2. So value of x is 5, so we get the value of y, means second value of the set q is 3 and 6, here 4 and here 7 to 5. So we can define this value of y is x minus 2, right, where x belongs to p and y belongs to q. So this is the relation given in the figure, and we have to find in set builder form. This is also called set builder form, right, because we are writing this in symbolic form or set form, so it is the set builder form. And also write down this relation in roster form. So take the pair of the elements p and q. So 5 3 is the first element in the roster form, second is the 6 4 and 7 5. So 6 4 and 7 5. So this is the roster form of the relation. And what is the domain and range? So domain is the set of first element of the relation, so that is 5 6 7 is the domain, and range is the set of all second elements in the relation, that is 3 4 and 5. So this is the problem based on the domains and range and relations. So by this problem, it is clear that we can also express a relation in two forms. First one is the set builder form and second one is the roster form. So thank you so much.